Yes, people, it's me, Shan, back at it in the kitchen again. And today I'm cooking steamed Dr. Fish with Tun Cornmeal. So, I have two big Dr. Fish here, so. And it's been cleaned and it's been in the lime water for a little while. So, that's the first step. Make sure that your fish is washed with lime water and properly scaled, etc. After washing the fish, you can leave them to drain, or you can do what I did, which was to wipe them off with some paper and towel to just pat dry them. And what I have here is some fish seasoned all-purpose and black pepper mixed together, and I'm going to be seasoning my fishes. It's not much because, you know, I don't want it to be overpowered with too much powder seasoning. So yes, there it is. You just rub the season all over the fish. Make sure so you get some inside the fish belly as well. And that's done. Fish seasoned and ready to start cooking. As I said earlier, I'll be doing some Tun Cornmeal, which will be the next step. I'll show you how to do the Tun Cornmeal shortly. So keep watching. Here we have our seasoning. This small section is for the Tun Cornmeal. So you want to finely dice your onion and spring onion, scallion, whatever you want to call it. And over here is what I'll be putting in the steamed fish. So you see the okra and the scallion. I didn't cut them fine or anything, just chop them big. I cut my okra in half, and I got some pimento seed. I just crushed them slightly, and tomato, chop them big, and pepper. You cannot forget your Scotch bonnet pepper. And the onion, I chop them normal size. So fire under the pot them, and I have a little bit of oil, very small amount of oil in the Tun Cornmeal pot. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to saute these ingredients, the seasoning, the onion and everybody. And you can just leave them for 2 minutes. Let the onion go and saute. And now I'm going to add my coconut milk. So 1 tin coconut milk. And I'm gonna rinse out the coconut pan. Just fill it up with water. There. And how much is in here? So 400 mils, and I put 400 mils of water in there. So in total we have 800 mils liquid. And I'm just going to leave that to come to a boil. While I focus on the steamed fish, because the oil over this will get too hot. And let me turn this down because I don't want to get burned when all this oil starts flying everywhere. And we are going in now with the seasoning. You know what I'm going to do? Take this off. Take it off the heat. Can you see that? It is too hot. So I'm going to let that cool down a bit. Wow. All the seasoning in the pot now, and it's on low heat at the moment. Smells so good already. And I normally just put a little bit of fish season on there. So this is about half a tablespoon. So there it is, looking oh so beautiful. And I'm just going to tip a small amount of water on there because the fish steam very quick, and sometimes the okra them now will cook, so I want a little bit of water in there to make the okra go and cook. Then I'll put the lid on it and leave it for like 3 minutes, and then I will get back to you when I'm adding the fishes. Over here we got the coconut milk and the water and the little season, and it's come to a boil. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to season it up. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt in there. That's about 1 teaspoon, my bad. And some butter. This is about 50 grams. Yeah. Butter is there. And 1 teaspoon of all-purpose, because you want it to have a little bit of flavor. You don't want it to be bland. So you put to your taste the amount of salt or all-purpose you want to put in there. Look at that. Bubble. So now I'll be adding my fishes. Guys, I need a bigger pot, but I'll make it work, trust me. Because these fishes, they're too damn big. But it's not my fault. I fancy some doctor fish today, so I went to the fishmongers and bought them earlier. However, these were the last 2 that they had, so I couldn't get a smaller one. In my mind, when I buy it, I know so them are be big for my pot, but I said me just try and make it work regardless, you hear me? Because you know when you want something, so I'm already my mind up on this. So today is my day off, and I said I'm going to just sort it out. Boy, I'm going to make me cook one and then cook another fish. But I'll try and make it work, and then I'll show you. If it doesn't fit, then I have to cook one fish, then come back and cook the other one. Boy, the struggle is real for real. This is the best I could achieve. You know, in them case the way you have to just work with what you have, when I work with what I have today, it'll cook and it'll taste nice, no matter if the fish too big for the pot. So look at it bubble. I've tasted it, and the salt, the flavor is fine. It's not too fresh, it's not too salty, it's perfect. And now I will be adding the Tun Cornmeal. So I measure out, this is 200 grams. So I'm gonna pour it in. And at this stage, you just have to mix, because I don't want it to get lumpy. Alright, so just continuous mixing. So that's what it's looking like. And if you are not Jamaican and you want to know why I call Tun Cornmeal, is because you constantly have to keep turning it. I am using my phone to film at the moment, so I can't demonstrate to you properly how to mix it, which is quite unfortunate. don't worry, I'll soon be getting all the necessary equipment so I can produce immaculate videos for you guys. But I'm gonna get back to turning, and then I will show you what it looks like afterwards. Yeah, so this is how you turn it, and that's why it's called Tun Cornmeal. Tun basically means turn. Just turn it. So I'm gonna leave it like this now, and it's on low heat, and I'm gonna put the lid on it and let it cook. Watch how them a bubble. Look at that. And it smells so good. And let's have a look at the Tun Cornmeal. So I just turned it. From time to time I just open my pot and turn it, but it's on the lowest heat possible now with the lid closed so it can steam, because cornmeal, it expands. And when me little, them used to say make sure so your cornmeal cook properly, otherwise your belly will bang, because basically the cornmeal will expand inside of your tummy. So I always make sure I cook even my cornmeal porridge for a good amount of time. Some people do it quick, but like this cornmeal, may have it a cook for, I'm gonna cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure it cook properly. I don't want my belly to bang. And the fish can be steamed in 15 minutes. Okay, I'll show you the final clip when it's on my plate. See it there, guys? When I'm telling you, well, you can see how beautiful it looks, but I'm never show no, never taste it and tell you know how beautiful it tastes, how delicious it tastes. So I'm just going to eat some of the Tun Cornmeal first. Lord God, wish me could have given some. Eat my okra. When I say it is divine, it is so nice. So thank you guys for watching. If I put on the camera so I can go devour this right now. And thank you for coming back to my channel, and I hope you stop by soon. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.